If you've made it to this video, you are officially ahead of 95% of traders who quit before they even begin. Over the past 11 videos, you've learned the foundations: mindset, risk, strategy, psychology, and execution. Now, it's time to put it all together into a clear, simple, step-by-step roadmap that will guide you through the next 6 to 24 months. This is the path that turns beginners into consistent, confident, profitable traders. Most beginners think they'll become profitable in a few weeks when they won't. Most professionals will tell you it takes years. It doesn't have to. With the right structure, you can build a solid foundation in 6 months and start becoming consistent within 12 to 24 months. Trading isn't slow. Most people are just unstructured. This roadmap fixes that. For your first 3 months, your only goals are: understand candlesticks, learn basic technical analysis, study trends, support, resistance, learn risk management, build discipline. This is your market language learning phase. Here's what you should do daily. Spend 10 to 20 minutes watching price movement. Practice drawing trend lines and zones. Track emotions in a journal. Review charts from the past week. Build your first strategy framework. Do not try to make money yet. Try to build knowledge. During these months, backtest your strategy. Refine your entry/exit rules. Learn position sizing. Start demo trading. Follow your plan strictly. Your focus is not on results. Your focus is on consistency. Ask yourself, am I following rules? Am I respecting stops? Am I sizing correctly? Am I emotionally stable? If you can follow your rules in a demo account for 60 to 90 days straight, you're ready for the next level. Now you can start trading with real money, but very small size. Risk $5 to $20 per trade. Trade slowly and deliberately. Do not scale up yet. Focus on process, not outcome. In this phase, you will learn how emotions change with real money, how discipline feels under pressure, how to stay patient, how to avoid revenge trading, how to improve execution. Your goal during months 6 to 12 is simple: become emotionally stable and rule following while risking very little. If you're consistent for 12 months, you're now ready to increase size slowly, refine your strategy edge, add one new setup if needed, track weekly and monthly performance, master your psychology. At this stage, your goal is not to become rich, your goal is to become predictable. Predictability leads to consistency. Consistency leads to profitability. Profitability leads to freedom. This is the phase where most beginners want to rush. Do not rush this phase. Here's a simple, professional level routine. Before the market opens, review watch list. Mark key levels. Plan your risk per trade. Repeat your trading rules out loud. During trading sessions, only take planned setups. Follow stop loss rules and avoid emotional decisions. Take screenshots of trades. After the market closes, review all trades taken. Note emotional state. Study mistakes. Update your journal. This routine, done daily, will transform you into a disciplined trader. Avoid these at all costs. Trading multiple strategies. Changing brokers constantly, trading random setups, over leveraging, revenge trading, trying to make it all back, following noisy social media signals. Your first year is about mastery, not money. Stay focused. Consistent traders think differently. They don't chase setups. They wait for opportunities. They don't try to be right. They try to follow rules. They don't fear losses and they expect them. They don't blow up accounts. They protect capital. They don't trade with emotion. They trade with intention. This is who you're becoming. If you commit to this roadmap and you follow it with discipline and patience, you will be far ahead of the average trader this time next year. Trading isn't about intensity, it's about consistency. Small steps every day lead to massive progress over time. Your journey doesn't end here, it starts today. If you've completed all 12 videos, you've already proven something important. You're serious about trading. So here's your next step. Subscribe, stay consistent, and continue learning every week with me. Your 2026 trading journey begins now. Let's build something great. Thank you for watching.